We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you the most comprehensive and unbiased overview of the walkie-talkie for kids, rechargeable spy walkie-talkies watch by Beenavee. This review is designed to help you make an informed decision, and if you already own this product, please leave your own review in the comments to help others. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Beenavee Walkie Talkie Watch is marketed as a multifunctional gadget for children, combining the fun of a walkie-talkie with the practicality of a wristwatch. Its design is aimed at sparking the imagination of young users, with a camouflage look and a suite of features that go beyond simple two-way communication. The product is a 7-in-1 device, offering a walkie-talkie, watch, magnifier, nightlight, secret capsule, decorative compass, and reflector. The manufacturer claims that this set is perfect for outdoor adventures and imaginative play, making it an ideal gift for children who love military or spy-themed toys. One of the standout features of this product is its extendable antenna, which is designed to increase transmission distance and improve sound clarity. The auto squelch function is intended to mute background noise, ensuring crisp audio even in busy or noisy environments. Many users have praised the sound quality, noting that it is clear enough for children to understand each other easily during play. The push-to-talk operation is intuitive, and the built-in microphone allows for straightforward communication between paired devices. The rechargeable lithium battery is another significant advantage. Unlike many traditional walkie-talkies that require frequent battery changes, this model supports up to 24 hours of talk time and up to 7 days of standby on a full charge. This feature has been highlighted in numerous reviews as a major benefit, both for convenience and cost savings. Parents appreciate not having to constantly replace batteries, and children enjoy uninterrupted play sessions. Ease of use is a recurring theme in positive reviews. The device is described as lightweight and comfortable for children to wear, with bands designed to fit small wrists. The LCD display provides real-time information, and setting the date and time is reported to be straightforward. The plastic material used in the construction is described as environmentally friendly and safe for kids, though some reviewers have expressed concerns about its durability. While many users state that the watches seem well built and have withstood regular play, others have reported issues with breakage, particularly with the plastic components. There are accounts of units arriving broken out of the box or failing after a short period of use. These negative experiences, though not universal, are worth considering, especially for parents seeking a long-lasting toy. The multifunctionality of the Beenavee Walkie Talkie Watch is a major selling point. In addition to the core communication feature, children can use the built-in magnifier for exploring their environment, the nightlight for visibility in low-light conditions, and the secret capsule for storing tiny treasures. The compass, while included, is noted in both the product description and user reviews as decorative and not functional. Most parents and children do not seem to mind this, as the primary focus remains on the walkie-talkie and watch functions. The reflector adds an extra element of safety for outdoor play, making children more visible in certain conditions. Performance-wise, the transmission range is generally described as impressive for a toy in this price range. Children have been able to communicate across houses and yards, making it ideal for playdates, neighborhood games, and even indoor adventures. The sound remains clear within the typical range, though some users have noted that clarity diminishes at the outer limits of the device's capability. The push-to-talk button is responsive, and the process of pairing the watches is simple, allowing kids to start playing almost immediately after unboxing. The spy-themed design is a big hit among children. Many reviewers mention that their kids feel like real secret agents or military operatives while using the watches. The camouflage pattern and the inclusion of features like the magnifier and secret capsule enhance the imaginative aspect of play. This has led to countless hours of entertainment, with children inventing elaborate games and scenarios that keep them engaged and active. Despite the many positives, there are some drawbacks to consider. The most common complaint is related to build quality. While the plastic is lightweight and safe, it may not withstand rough handling over time. Some users have experienced issues with the watch breaking or components failing, sometimes even straight out of the box. This inconsistency in quality control has led to frustration for a subset of buyers, though others report no issues and are satisfied with the durability relative to the price point. Another point of criticism is the decorative compass. While marketed as a feature, it does not function as a real compass. For most children, this is not a significant issue, but some parents feel that the marketing could be clearer about this aspect. The inclusion of the compass is primarily for aesthetic purposes and to enhance the spy or military theme, rather than for practical navigation. Battery life is generally praised, with most users reporting that the watches hold a charge well and provide ample playtime between charges. The convenience of USB recharging is a plus, especially for parents who are tired of buying disposable batteries. The charging process is straightforward and does not require any special equipment beyond the included cables. The product is recommended for children aged 6 to 17, making it suitable for a wide range of ages. However, the design and features are most appealing to younger children, particularly those in the elementary school age range. Older children may find the toy less engaging, especially if they are accustomed to more advanced electronic devices. In terms of value, the Beenavee Walkie Talkie Watch is considered a good buy by many reviewers, especially given its multifunctionality and rechargeable design. The price point is accessible and the product offers a lot of entertainment for the cost. Some users have purchased multiple sets to allow larger groups of children to play together, and the ability to connect multiple units is seen as a bonus. Customer service experiences are mixed. Some buyers have reported prompt and helpful responses when dealing with defective units, while others have encountered difficulties with returns or replacements. As with many products in this category, experiences may vary depending on the seller and the specific circumstances of the purchase. In summary, the Beenavee Walkie Talkie for Kids rechargeable spy walkie-talkies watch offers a fun and engaging way for children to communicate and play together. Its combination of features, including a walkie-talkie, watch, magnifier, nightlight, secret capsule, decorative compass, and reflector, makes it a versatile and imaginative toy. The rechargeable battery and clear sound quality are major advantages, while the lightweight design ensures comfort for young users. However, potential buyers should be aware of the variability in build quality and the non-functional nature of the compass. For parents seeking an affordable and entertaining gift that encourages outdoor activity and creative play, this product is a strong contender. If you have experience with this walkie-talkie watch, please leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it helps support the channel.